Hey folks, my first how it's made series video from Rebuild workshop, and today I'm going to show how to make this easy compact card holder. Absolutely perfect to make by yourself if you are new at leather crafting. Want to mention that I just launched my new design web page and added all PDF templates including this one. Also you can find them on my Etsy shop, but at my web shop it's a bit cheaper as I don't need to pay taxes for Etsy. Actual card holder also listed for sale with all over my crafts. Okay, less talking and let's jump into crafting process. For this particular card holder, I used 1.4mm wedge tan Pueblo leather in Ortensia and color and stitched with the tan thread. I also have black and Ortensia colored version. As you can see, it's quite similar to this design card holder, but this one is more narrow and also have slots on both sides, where you can keep cash or your mostly used card. Before releasing new design, I'm testing it by myself, so I even carried a couple coins in one of these slots and cash in another. Card holder is best for around 3 to 6 cards, but even for one card it's okay. As I tested it, I carried 8 cards, but if you want to decrease amount of card later, for sure stretched leather won't hold less cards. If you would like to obtain any of my wallets, card holders or PDF templates, check the links down below in video description. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.